So I'm just from the supermarket and I get such anxiety from going out alone. When I'm with my friends, it's okay because like I always feel like I have a buffer between me and the outside world. But then when I'm alone, especially in Germany, when I was in Kenya, it was kind of okay because that's my environment, that's my people. But then when I'm in Germany, I get such anxiety. I've not faced really anything, but I just get anxious about going outside alone. So I have this app. This is not an advert. I don't think they even have an advert because it's like a free app. It's called Read Era, where I have like several novels there. So I just put on my earphones in there and then I just walk and listen to novels. I think this is why I write also, because books have gotten me through so much. So writing is just my way of giving back to the society, of reaching out to that one girl or that one boy who has anxiety about facing the world, and then they can just like disappear into my world and just like be free and walk down the street, not be feeling anxious about the people around them. Anyway. I think I struggle more with fear of failure in my 30s than I did in my 20s because I keep telling myself I should have figured it out by now. By now I should have figured out life, but the truth is I haven't, and that just gives me anxiety on top of my already there anxiety.
1, 2, 3,
Guess who came to study with me? Say hey. How is the exam preparation going? We are dying. We are literally dying. Oh, it's 7:41 and the exam is at, let me see, is the microphone on? Yeah, and the exam is at 10:30, so we have around 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, 2 hours to study, to finish studying. Wow, I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. Okay, let's study. At least hatuwezi kuwa zero. I feel like I know that I know stuff. I just don't know the stuff that I know. Money supply ya euro increase inamaanisha dollar ina appreciate. Money supply ya dollar increase inamaanisha euro ina nini? Of one price?
No, one price ni Big Mac. Ama in simpler words, zinafaa kuwa the same.
Kumbe tunajua ni times euro over dollar. Yeah. We are done. Done with the exam today. Waiting for tomorrow's exam now. Wow, I'm so tired. Tafuta food. It's so pretty. Going to Lidl to look for food. Okay, I got home, took a shower, changed, and right now I wanna have some yogurt and muesli and some grapes. I'm really hungry. I know I should cook something, but maybe dinner. I can make some rice and beans later because I have to study for tomorrow's exam, management accounting. Today's exam was not so bad actually, but I struggled so much with perfection because later I know that I'm not going to fail, but I want to get a 1. Does not make sense. I want to pass. I want to get an A. Yeah, and there's one question that I really fumbled with, but the others were okay. I don't know why I got to the exam room and I could not remember, but when I was revising, I could remember it. I feel like it was too much content, so I have to restructure tomorrow's exam revision according to how I performed today. Anyway, so I have to learn to let go. But I know I passed, I think I passed. But the teacher is different, so let's just wait and see the results. I'll give you a reveal at the end. So let me have something to eat because I'm really, really hungry, and then rest for about an hour or two, and then we can study. Today I think we are pulling an all-nighter because I can't sleep and I have exam tomorrow. So we might be pulling an all-nighter today. So come with me. Why am I coughing? Fuck. I feel like I'm gonna have the flu, and I don't know how I feel about that, having a flu during the exam week. So yeah, but we're not gonna think about that right now. I hope you're not hearing my roommate speak. Anyway, we're gonna pull an all-nighter now. So now it's currently 17:27. I'm gonna start studying at 6 because I have this thing in my mind that I have to study when the time is like 6 7. I can't start studying at 5:30. So we're gonna start studying at 6, and then we're gonna start study until 9 in the morning tomorrow. I might take a 2-hour break in the middle, but since I don't know a lot, I'm not gonna take breaks. So let's do this. Let's pull this all-nighter together. You have to stay with me so that I don't give up too. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the second time block. At least now I know. I've gone through most of the notes, and I have an idea of what is expected. At least I understand the winner's curse, and I have just a general idea of what is expected. But this is my first pass through, so maybe my second and third pass through I'll have be okay, but at least now I get what is going on. Okay, let me take a break. I'm so tired. I think I'll take a 2-hour nap. At this point, I don't even think you can see me. Okay, let's nap. now 7:32 and I have exactly 2 hours before the exam starts. No, I have 2 hours 30 minutes, but I have the last 2 hours to study. So I don't think I'm going to do another update because I've been up all night. I'm so tired. You remember yesterday when I was saying that you should not look like your problems? Today I don't really care. So I'm just gonna go to school like just the basic I have. Let me show you. So you see, I have on just like a basic top, basic tight and socks. I just wanna get in there, do the exam, get out, and then I can come back and sleep for some time. Do not look at my unmade bed. I'm so tired. And for some reason I feel like I don't still get it, but maybe the last 2 hours can save that. Okay. I'm comforting myself. It was that bad. Okay, bye. Oh, morning. It's been such a long time since I had enough time to like just wake up, make my bed, and just don't mind my nail. It came off. I have to put it back. Just realizing now that it's the hand I'm talking to you with. Anyway, it's been such a long time since I just like woke up, made my bed, had like a normal morning. So today I'm just like relishing it. I'm just enjoying making my bed this morning before I start studying again. Okay, let's do this. And voila, just like magic, it is done. I wish I could have have the powers to just like snap my fingers and get it done. Anyway, today I wanna wash my hair. I think I'll do my hair next week after I'm done with the exam. I have so much growth, but today I just wanna like condition it and wash it. I'll condition it as I study for like 3 hours and then I'll wash it later. Because now this is not it. It's so dirty. Coffee first because I can't think without coffee. And then we can study for a bit and then wash the hair.
Like you, Nick, huh? Oh, Nick, what were you in high school?
Me? I was dependable.
There's a consistent burn over this whole area.
Except for that one.
So I'm just from the supermarket and I get such anxiety from going out alone. When I'm okay, so I have on my like comfiest pajamas and I just wanna like study for the rest of the day because I have exam tomorrow, but I am trying to like see if I can be seen without him. But I don't want to film like the rest because I feel like the whole vlog has just been me studying, and I feel like if I keep filming me studying, you'll kind of get bored with me. So we're gonna end the vlog here. But I really thank you for watching the video to this end, and I love you. See you next week. Okay, yeah, let me go study. Apparently that's my whole life. That's my whole, how do you call it, personality. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. See you next week. Let me study for tomorrow's exam. Kisses, lots of kisses. Mwah.